Now we are demonstrating an electronic sensor using Arduino, electronic fingerprint sensor. Using fingerprint we can add our votes. The main components of the system is a power supply and a database system for adding the fingerprint data and a voting system. And we also have an LCD display for a better user interface, and also we use Arduino for our database storage system and also for controlling this database, this electronic voting system. Now we have an power supply system. It is used to convert the AC supply into DC supply. We get AC supply 220 watt AC supply, we will convert it as a DC supply of 5 volt. And here we have a data system. Here in the data system we can add as many as a person's fingerprint, like 10,000 people's fingerprint we can add, and we can conduct the vote as a perfect way. This is an voting system. It consists of parties, different parties. Candidate 1 is one party and candidate 2 is another party and candidate 3 is another party. It has also a result viewing system. Only in this system we have programmed like that special authorized person only can view the result system. No other can view the result system or declare the result. Now we are adding a person's fingerprint and adding a person's fingerprint into the database before voting. Like that, we are giving a card for the voting system, or we are entering the data for a voter's ID. Like that, we are fetching the fingerprint data to the system. The candidate 1 is fetching the fingerprint. Long press the enroll key button and it will ask for a fingerprint ID. Okay, the person remove the finger and also then person is stored the fingerprint. Now the second person is coming for registering his fingerprint. This fingerprint ID is changed to 1. Now the second person is stored his fingerprint. Now the third person is coming for a fingerprint registration. His ID is changed to 2. And the third person also stored his name. Now the fourth person is coming for the fingerprint registration. The fourth person's fingerprint also stored. Now the scenario is changed. After the registering the fingerprint, now the scenario is changed for a voting system. Now he is coming for the voting system. Now he is coming for an voting system. The candidate is now badge button is pressed. The candidate has to paste the fingerprint, and he has voted as for candidate 1. Now the second person is coming. Press the match button. Place the fingerprint. Okay, the second person also. Now the third person is coming. Now the fourth person is coming. Okay. Now the fourth person is have registered the vote, and now the unknown person when he is registered the vote is coming again to try a fall vote. Now the alarm is the system detected that he has already voted and given an alarm. Now this vote is not counted as an vote. Now the result viewing system is now the main authorities person is coming for viewing the result. Candidate 1 has been, as he had given 2 votes, and the candidate 1 second has only 1 vote. Okay, thank you.